Hello, I hope you're well. So today's tapping video is how to help you remove physical pain. EFT tapping works amazingly well with pain. Pain can be trapped somewhere in the physical body. So what I want you to do is have a think. You need to be really specific about where that pain is. Where is the area of the pain? And what does that pain feel like? Is it a dull ache? Is it a throbbing pain? Is it something that's been around for a long time or a short time? Really get into kind of how that feels. We're going to do very basic tapping rounds around the pain, but I want you to be specific with where the pain is in your mind when we're kind of doing the tapping. And then what I want you to do is just rate that pain on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being really strong, of course, and 0 being no strength at all. Just give that a number, kind of see where that is. As I say, the more kind of specific you can be with where the pain is and how that feels, the better. And just follow me with the tapping and just go with it and just check it. We'll check in at the end to see how you're feeling as well after that. So when you're ready, just on the side of the hand. So even though I've got this physical pain, and it might have been around for a long time, I choose to accept myself anyway. But even though I've got this pain, and I can feel it in this certain place in my body, and it has this feeling, and it really causes me some issues, I just want to see if I can let go today. And I choose to accept me now anyway. And what if I could just begin to accept this pain, or the area of where my pain is, just for a moment? But even though I've got this physical pain, it can feel really excruciating. At times it can feel so bad. I just want to be open to letting some of that go. And I choose to accept and approve of me now. And what if I could just accept some of this pain just for the moment? Okay, brilliant. So just go on the points. So I've got all this pain. I can really feel this pain in my body. And it feels really strong. Just noticing exactly where this pain is in my body. Noticing the sensation of the pain. Notice the feel of the pain. And notice what I think when I think about this pain. It's been affecting me for such a long time. This pain. All this pain in my body. I'd just like to be open to letting go some of this pain. And maybe I've been suffering with this pain for a long time. Maybe it's been affecting some areas of my life. Maybe it's been affecting me physically and mentally. This horrendous pain. Just been struggling with this pain in my body. Just noticing specifically where this pain is. I just want to be open to letting go this pain. What if I could let go some of this pain today? What if I could feel clearer and calmer? What if I could just breathe out some of this pain? Maybe I've been holding on to it for a long time. Maybe it goes back to some certain events in my life. Maybe I'm holding on to this shock in my body. Maybe there's some emotional attachment. Whether there is or there isn't, I just want to be open to letting go. I just want to be prepared to let go. Letting go all this pain. Feeling lighter and lighter. All the way back through my past. Just being open to letting go. What if I could just let this pain go? What would my life look like without it? I just want to be open to letting go this physical pain. Just breathing in calm and clear air. Just noticing how good this feels. What if I could just let this go? Feeling lighter and lighter. I don't want to hold on to this pain anymore. I don't want to focus on this pain. Maybe it's just safe to start to let it go today. Release and let go. All the way back through my past. I don't need you anymore. Just being open to letting go. Feeling lighter and lighter. feeling clearer through every cell in my body. That's wonderful. Now take a deep breath. Breathe out. Excellent. And maybe just close your eyes for a moment. Just check in what that number is. Are you still at the same? I'd like to hope that number's gone down. What can often happen as well, the pain can move around. If it has moved at all, or the intensity's changed, or the type of pain's changed, I want you to go ahead and carry on what we've just done there and tap on that part of that as well. Just notice how that feels and keep on tapping, keep on bringing that pain down. If you do need to talk through, how I can help in a bit more detail, please feel free to drop me a message and subscribe to the channel, hitting the subscribe button, and I'll catch you again very soon. Okay, take care.